Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to convert FBM fulfillment by merchant listings to FBA fulfillment by Amazon in Seller Central. To begin, log in to your Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. From there, select Manage Inventory to view your product listings. Next, identify the FBM listings that you wish to convert to FBA. Remember, when you initially list any product, it's automatically set as an FBM listing. Let's proceed with selecting the listings you want to convert. Now click on Change to Fulfilled by Amazon from the Actions drop-down menu. It will redirect you to a confirmation page. Here, you simply need to click on the List as FBA tab to proceed with the conversion process. And there you have it. Converting your FBM listings to FBA is a simple process that allows you to take advantage of Amazon's vast fulfillment network and Prime eligibility. If you're looking to convert FBA to FBM instead, you can find a video tutorial by clicking on the I button. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon seller tips and tutorials.